It was a hot day at the beach,
I need so cool.
said Bert.
Me too.
Said Kip. Kip saw a big red box.
I want to wax in there.
He said,
I'll look in and see.
said Bert. Bert flew over the box.
Ice cubes.
She cried.
There are ice cubes in the box.
Bert flew into the box. Kip climbed up the side of the box. He zoomed into the icy. Kip went under the icy. He popped back out,
Brr.
said Kip.
Ha ha.
Bert laughed.
Ah. This ice doesn't. This ice feels great.
Said Kip.
Yep.
Said Bert.
This doesn't get any better than this. Hey,
Yelled a man.
there are a bird and chipmunk in the cooler.
Bert and Kip and Kate fast,
That was fun.
said Bert.
Yes,
Said Kip.
but I am still hot.